Good evening, ma'am. My name is Matthew, and I'm here from the Portland Police Bureau, and I'm just here responding to a call I got from the Davidsons saying that you were out on one of your visitation days, and you did not return them. And I'd like to see if we can come up with some kind of resolution, get those kids back safe and sound.
Clearly, it's not a very good evening if you're showing up here. First off. Second off, they're my kids, so I deserve to have them back.
Well, what makes you feel like that?
So sorry. Well, I mean, obviously I gave birth to them, so they are my children, and I just don't understand why I can't have them.
Well, according to our records, we've had some some instances of you, engaging in neglectful activity with your children. The state, disagrees otherwise. So I'd like to just figure something out. I know it seems like you just really, you really understand or care for your children, and I know that you want to, you want what's best for them.
I do care about my kids, obviously, but...
Mind if I sit down?
Sure.
Let's sit down.
Yeah, I clearly care about them.
Totally.
But what really pisses me off is, yeah, sure, like, I'm 20 years old and I have 3 kids somehow, but I love them, and I'm done with the partying and crap that I was getting into when I was younger. Like, I'm done with that, and like, no one believes me. I just want my kids back.
Well, I'd say that's pretty strong of you that you are finding the strength and courage to turn over a new leaf right now. But if I may briefly explain, there's obviously the state disagrees with that. There's been some instances of you doing I guess what most people would call just neglectful stuff again. But I totally get where you're coming from. I really do. And I really want to help you out with this.
Well, I don't know how you can understand where I'm coming from if, like, you've probably never neglected your children. I understand that I have in the past, and, like, I feel horrible about that. Like, I just want to be their mom again. And that's all I care about.
Mm-hmm. I get it.
If you want my kids back, if you want me to give them back to so sorry, the Davidsons, you're gonna have to take them over my dead body.
Well, that sounds pretty, concerning. I feel pretty concerned like that. If I may quickly divert, how old are your kids? What are their names?
I have 3 kids, obviously. There are 3 of them. They are 5, 2, and 1. And their names are Stephen, Jason, and Ashley.
Steve, Jason, Ashley. Mm-hmm. My eldest is actually named Ashley.
No, it's funny.
Yeah. So, in regards to these, like, instances of you, or of your desire to be with your children and whatnot, have you made any kind of, steps to, go forth with like that? I understand you work a lot.
Yeah, I do. I work 2 jobs, full-time. I know it's like 80 hours a week, and that's nuts, but I have to pay the bill somehow. Mm-hmm. And I have made steps towards that. I got my GED. I am trying to get enrolled in community college right now, take some online classes. Like, when I was like 17 years old and like my first kids got taken away from me, it's because, or like the first instances of neglect, I should say, like, I was not in the right mind state. I was not ready to be a parent, but I was. I had to be a parent because I chose to be a parent, I guess. But I was just out partying, and that's all I cared about was going out and drinking with my friends and doing drugs and whatever. But I'm done with that.
That's very brave of you to tell me that. To be willing to open up with that. Most in my previous encounters with parents, they aren't as willing to talk about that kind of stuff. So that's really great of you. Again, going back to, just like, what I think is that you really, really are trying to be a good parent. However, there are just some logistical roadblocks, if I may be frank, if you will.
What are those roadblocks? I don't understand. I should, like, I'm doing all the things I can do. I'm working, I'm going to school, like, I have my GED. I'm, like, really making the moves. I went through AA, like, I checked the boxes, but I still don't have my freaking kids back. I don't get it. So sorry.
It's just that the state disagrees with you, just wholeheartedly, based on your general past. And, I feel for you. It really seems just like a really, really tough time.
It is.
You've done, right now, you've done so much, and you've fully, the chips haven't been in your favor. But right now, just for the sake of your children, obviously the kids right now are probably a little more on the, oh no, let's not do that. Okay, so you've made significant progress in piecing back together your life. You're doing great, you're doing great work, so, but, right now, you not giving your children back to the foster parents is just one more roadblock that has been created. And if I may, and I would suggest that, giving them back, or the first step to kind of overcoming this, your goal is to be a part of your children's life, yes?
Yeah.
Okay? But right now, the children need to be given back to their foster parents. In order to do so, and if you do this, then, I could vouch for you, help show that you're, making the right steps, and get you some help, financial assistance from the state or the government.
Yeah.
Maybe get some cheap daycare set up for you, because I'm sure that would be very, very helpful, especially, I know you work a lot, I know you can, even with, I can't help you if you don't give your children back to foster parents. And I really do want to help you. You've shown that you really care about your children. You want to be a part of their life. That's a very strong motherly instinct right there that I have great respect for.
Yeah. It's just really hard for me to give them back, but I do really, I do see your point, and, I have made significant improvement, and, something I can work on is my anger, obviously. I'm, really upset right now, but, I just want what's best for my kids in the end, and I just want them back.
I understand.
So
It's tough. It's really tough.
Maybe I'll hand them over to you, and we'll see them next week, or if they don't let me see them next week, then I'll just, I have to work harder, and it's just really stressful,
I understand. Before I go, do you just want to say bye to your kids one last time?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll leave my name and number with you.